Hey guys, welcome back to Lumens Armory. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the EZshoot 1000 lumen pistol laser light combo. Alright guys, so the laser light combo is going to come shipped in this black box. It says EZshoot, tactical flashlight. Then down at the bottom shows that it's USB rechargeable. It is a lightweight design and adjustable rail mount. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box. Alright, so out the bottom, we have a set of tools, and then also our 1913 Picatinny rail adapter plate here. We also have the EZshoot tactical flashlight laser combo user's manual. Let's open this up. So up on top, it's going to tell you everything that's in the box. So of course you get the flashlight, the rail locating keys, the wrench, also your charging cable. Here's the specifications. So it is 1000 lumens, so it's very bright. There's the max throw, 60-minute runtime, USB rechargeable. It does have strobe, and that is the product size. And here's the overview, which will go into demonstration of how all this works. There's the USB charging. There's a port at the bottom. So you do have it red when it's charging and then green when it's completed. And how to install the laser light combo. There's the adapter. And also continuing the installation, which we'll go over in this video. And then there's the operation. So you do have the light switches on the side. So you can have constant mode, strobe mode, momentary. And there's the beam calibration for the laser. Your warnings, and then the warranty. Okay, so here is the EZshoot laser light combo. So there's the laser down here. The light's going to be on the top. And then here is the USB cable. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at the tactical flashlight here. So on the sides, first off, you're going to notice that it says EZshoot on both sides. You have the danger warning for the laser. So on the left side, you're going to see there's a little flashlight symbol, and then on the right, looks like a laser. So the right side of the button is going to activate the laser there. You can see it's very, very bright, very sharp. And then the left side, if you press this once, it's going to activate the light. And if you press it twice, it's going to have the strobe. And then you can just hold it. And then if you let go, it's going to be momentary press. So you can have all those different features in this compact flashlight, which is really nice. And it is lightweight design, so it's not going to weigh down your firearm. You have the windage down here, so it's showing left and right, which you can adjust using the provided tool right here. And then at the bottom, you have up and down for the laser, so that's going to adjust your elevation. This is what it looks like from the front. I'm not going to shine that in your eyes or anything. And then here at the bottom, this is the neat feature here. So when you have this mounted on a pistol, which I'll demonstrate here shortly, you don't have to remove it to change the battery. And of course, since the battery in here is rechargeable, you would actually just use the provided cable here. So it's a USB-C. Let me show you right now. This works. So just plug it into any USB port. And you can see right there the red light means it's charging. So after it's charged for a while, you'll see that the light will turn green. That means you're all fully charged, ready to go. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and seal this. So that's going to protect the charging port here. Nice little rubber cover right there. I also wanted to point out that the laser light combo does come in different laser colors. So of course, this one's the red. You can get a blue laser or even a green laser. So you do have your options there. So I'd mentioned in the unboxing there's two rail keys. So right now you see GL. So that's mainly for Glocks. And then there's also the 1913. So you can switch those out depending on your pick rail. So obviously if you have the Glock-style, you're going to use the GL. If you have the 1913, you're going to switch to this, which is really easy to do. All you have to do is use your provided tool, unscrew here. This will pop out. And so this on the side. And then this just comes right off. And then if you wanted to switch over, you can just slide that right in. And another unique thing is you can actually adjust this. So depending on your full size or your compact pistol, you can move this wherever you choose. And then once you have it set to where you want this mounted on your pistol, you'd go ahead and just use the screw. Go ahead and apply this in reverse. So now you have the 1913 rail adapter there. Alright guys, so here I have a Taurus G3C. As I mentioned before, you can use this with compact pistols or full-size pistols, since you can adjust the length of the rail here. So right now I have it kind of in the middle, and you can see on the other side that locks in place right there. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten this up, show you how it looks. Get that snug. Alright guys, and that's how it is on the G3C. See, it's very easy to reach. No wiggle or play. There's the light. The laser. Alright you guys, and then now here is a full-size pistol. So this is a Glock 22. This is a Gen 5. So you can fit on full-size pistols as well. Something like a Glock 17, a full-size P320, any of those models. And this is where I left off with the G3C. So you can see if I put it on here, it's a little far to reach. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust this to move it up some. Maybe that might work. Yeah, so that would be closer. So that's why this feature is really important, that you can adjust the length. So if I wanted it closer, of course I'm going to put it at the very front. So let's go ahead and do that. Put the screw through. Put that in there. Let me use the provided tool. Go ahead and get that nice and snug. And there you go. So now I have it for a full-size pistol as well. There's the light. It looks really cool. here's the 1000 lumen light. See how bright and far that goes. There's the laser. See it on that tree. Here's the laser and the light together. Yeah, the laser goes far. And here's strobe. Alright guys, so that was the EZshoot 1000 lumen pistol laser light combo. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.